In this video, I will be showing you how to install uTorrent on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for uTorrent. We'll be having the official link. Just select this, and here we are having free download. Click this, and here we are having three plans. One is the Pro, ad free, and basic. Just choose the one of your choice. I will just go with the free or the basic plan. Select the download now option. The download will be getting started. Once it is done, just open it. We will be getting the uTorrent install wizard. Just click on next, and this is the license agreement. Just read it and select agree, and it's asking us to install some additional software over here. If you want to accept, you can. I will just go and click decline, and I don't need this any of, so I'll just click on skip all now. Once it is done, just click on launch and finish. That's it. We'll be getting the uTorrent interface. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.